Okay, I wanted to explain the assignment for the set phasers on stun. If you look at my screen, this is Screencast-O-Matic. If you go to screencast-o-matic.com, this is a free way to record your screen with VoiceOver. If you see here, there's a dash line. You can move this around on the screen. Of course, I have it set here to record this. So you could basically create your presentation, open it up, and record it. And then once you're done recording it, you can upload this to YouTube and share the link. It's very easy to run. You don't really have to install anything, and it is free. The other thing you can do in the module piece when you create an assignment is there's a record upload media button here where you can record your screen or yourself giving a presentation as well, and then add the link for your assignment. So the assignment is to read chapter 1 on set phasers on stun, 3 to 5 minutes, and explaining that scenario through a presentation. I'm not looking for anything. You don't need to create 10 PowerPoint slides. 1 or 2 slides max, explaining what you learned from that scenario, and the instructions are there in the module as well. So if you have any other questions, let me know, but you have the Canvas recording option, and again, Screencast-O-Matic, where you can record and then upload it to YouTube, and then just share the link from YouTube of what you've created for your presentation. Hope that helps. Thanks.